Hello everyone, welcome to tri-vimastudio. Today I am showing how to use procedural shader in Blender, which I am selling on my favorite platform Blender Market for under $5, named as tri-vimastudio. So let's start the scene, which I'm just have to light up. Let's light this. Let's make it a little bigger. No, I guess, yeah. And let's preview it. Okay. And here also, let's have this at the top. And let's keep this here. This would be okay. Fine. Nice. So this is the scene which I am trying to shade. I'm trying to use procedural shader. This is I made just a wooden plank. This wooden plank I want to texture it as a wood shader, which I made as procedural shader. So let's try. So first of all, let's save it in some place. Okay. So let's try one of my wood shaders as if you have downloaded in the downloaded the shaders.blend file just like me. So here I have the file where I have to open it. So after opening it, first you check the file and take a tour of it. Like let's see this. Okay, you can see the shader. Yeah, so click this object and check out the shader you have. Just like you can change colors. Okay, you can change some saturation, some tints values, anything. And you can change the overall scale of it. See how it changes. Okay, you can also change the grain scales, like make it more thin, make it more bigger. Do it this way. Even this can also be good, but not much. Okay, then this is the different thing you see here. Okay, so and also we can check space wrap thing, see how it works. So many aspects we have here, how we can manipulate the procedural texture which we have here. First thing, many things you have to see what they do, try it on this, and then afterwards you select your required shader. Like let's see this one. We see, okay, this is the shader what we have here. Okay, then another one, then we have, okay, see the effect, nice. Okay, nice bumps, little specular. Okay, same as I have to see other textures. As I took a tour, complete tour, which I want to select it. Then I said let's try with this. Okay, now I want this texture to be at my object, on my object. So I've selected that is wooden plank 3. What's the name of the shader is wood 3. So in that wood 3 I have this procedural shader where I can change my overall location in XYZ, my rotation, scale. I can also change the grain angles. Okay, I can change the colors. I have here 4 different color to create the such texture. Then the specular on the wood, the roughness of it, the light value, dark value, everything. So I don't want much specular. I can change this color and I can reduce the specularity. Let's do this. Okay, same way I can change all. So rest is how to change the factor of these roughness, the texture, the scratch we created. Same way other values of those scratches, then the scale of those scratches, then the bump value. If I increase it, it gives me different output. If I decrease it, it gives me different output. So this is important. Other level of bump detail that also comes with different thing than the third level. Okay, so we have here many things. So let's continue how to use it. So now I've selected this wood shader, wood 3. So I'll switch off. I'll jump to my file, that is this scene, and I want here on this object. So first of all I'll go to append in file, then I'll select my shader wherever it is. here it is. How to see, you will see the file name. It shows as a icon of folder, but that is a file, blend file. Open it, select or search your material folder, that is this. Open it again, and now here you find out your shader, that is wood 3. I'll just click to append. It is not yet on the model, but it is inside this file. So as I select this file model, here I have, here in the list I have, and I'll click and I'll get this. Now what happened, I don't see my texture, so let's use a little lights and see how we can implement. Let's put a little bit. Okay, okay, let's pass it, and here it is. So now if I check it, so I have the effect, and I can change the attributes here also as I want. Let's change the specular. Yes, let's reduce the roughness. See, let's make it less specular, but with this effect. Okay, let's have a little bump value more of scratches and all, so I can use this. So here it is. So this way I can use my shader wherever I want and however I want. I can change the overall scale. Let's try to change the scale. Let's put it in 0.25. It's bigger. Let's put it to 2. It's smaller. As a however you want, you can use it. You can change the colors, you can change the attributes, and you can get your own output for your model. So this way you can use any procedural shader which you are using from my platform, from my portal. So here is how you can use the procedural shader in Blender. Thanks for now, and do keep buying my products and keep connecting to me. I'm here to help and here to grow with you. Thank you.